Hello there, this is Junkyard Kid, and today we're going to be showing off this Rambler Marlin that got finished up here at J&J Repair and Restoration. I've showed this a few times, and now here is the finished product. And this car didn't get a complete restoration. It had a really bad fire under the hood, as I've mentioned before, and we wound up replacing the hood, engine and not transmission, but the engine. And I'm going to try to open the hood here while holding this gimbal. This could be tricky. Okay, we're going to aim this way. There. Oh, we got a peek under the hood. Engine's all cleaned up. It's actually refreshened up. That's a 327 that come from my dad's old place. The other one was tight, seized up, and had this whole engine compartment emptied out. Sandblasted it, painted it, all new wiring, and it turned out just pretty darn nice. Color match is really close. You probably can't tell as much in the camera, but like this side with this kind of lighting, it looks really good. The match does. And in case you see things kind of wandering around here, I bought a gimbal for my phone, so when I walk around it's not quite as wobbly as it had been. And that is a learning experience to use one of these. And I've had it less than 24 hours, so I'm definitely on the shallow end of the knowledge pool. But I figured I'd just kind of show this. And this side, you can kind of see a little difference in the color with the different light. But overall, I'm happy, and I believe the customer will be. Take a peek inside, fire it up. It's got some actually pretty nice sounding pipes on the thing. We wound up also instrument cluster. Some pieces had to get replaced. This little part here where it says Marlin, that was busted. I was lucky enough to find one of them. Them are really hard to find. But, let's see here. I should be able to reach in since I just took it down the road. There we go. Sounds pretty good. And this thing should be heading back to its home either tomorrow or early next week. Take a listen here. Yeah, sounds good. So, another project done. And plenty more lined up to do. The Rambler Marlin. In 1965, they advertised it. I think I got the sales poster here. Yeah, kind of hard to see through the window. But it talks about it. Oh, maybe we can get it from this side. Introducing Excitement, the swinging new man-size sports fastback. And that was kind of taking a dig at the Mustang fastback and the Barracuda at the time, because we'll take another peek inside. And you look here, as soon as I turn this thing, this is kind of interesting to operate. You actually have a moderate amount of room back there. Where an adult, and this seat is slid all the way back, where an adult can actually fit in the thing relatively comfortable. So there you have it. Till next time, we will talk to you later.